watching Channel 3 Eyewitness News this morning. Eyewitness News is everywhere, covering news in Connecticut.
Well, up next, are you having allergy troubles? Well, one way to get rid of them is by the help of a chiropractor. Sound interesting? Well, tune in next. We'll explain. Well, if any of you out there are suffering from allergies, we might have just the solution for you. Here to talk about it is Dr. Luigi Deruba. He's from the Connecticut Chiropractic Council. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you very much for having me.
All right, tell us about this connection between chiropractics and allergies.
Well, the key thing is to understand that the spinal column and nervous system is your lifeline. Misalignments of the spine affect the nerve tissue, which weaken your immune system.
Really?
So making people much more susceptible to the allergens that are out there. So what we find is that with chiropractic adjustments, we're restoring health in the body and increasing their immune resistance. One of the great things is that what we're seeing is that patients who come into our office, not just for their symptoms, but also finding that they're living better quality of life under chiropractic care. So they're making it an integral part of their lifestyle. So, you know, if they visit their website, ConnecticutChiropracticCouncil.com, what they'll find is information and also be able to locate a doctor of chiropractic which will tailor to their health care needs.
So if people at home are suffering allergies, and I know a lot of people around this time of year are,
Yes.
Can they go to a doctor and say, hey, I need to be checked out and just realigned? Will that help out big time?
Yes, with their thorough consultation and examination, the doctor and the patient will determine what type of care will be needed. But the key thing is to be focusing on spinal hygiene. When they start looking at putting spinal hygiene as an integral part of their lifestyle changes and healthcare needs, they're finding that there's other healthcare benefits, and they're living better quality of life, better performance of their body function.
Now tell us a little bit about this. You brought in a diagram. I mean, is this a model of a perfect spine, what it should look like?
Well, it's a plastic spine, but the nice thing is that it's colored for the different segments of the body.
Okay.
Cervical region, which is the neck region, mid-back, and lower back. And these nerves that exit the spinal column control and regulate every function of the body, every cell tissue in your body. Misalignments of the spine cause detrimental effect on that nerve tissue, leading to chronic long-term health conditions. And they go undetected for years and needing unnecessary procedures later on.
Well, if people are sitting at home and they're saying, I have allergies and I think maybe visiting a chiropractor would help out, where do they go? How do they find out more information?
They can go to ctcouncil.com and locate a doctor. There's a section on that website, and also there's a section that they can get a lot of healthcare articles that they can read up on and become much more informed.
All right, all you sneezing out there and suffering from those allergies, definitely go to that website, ctcouncil.com, right? Thank you so much, Dr. Deruba, for joining us this morning. Definitely take his advice and visit that